I am Nate. You know, one thing people don't like about vending machine is that when we bought a product from it, we have to bend down to collect the product. Actually, this is not friendly for the ladies and the elderly people. Now we have a solution for it. I am introducing you this model, enable us to collect the product from the middle of the machine. We don't need to bend down. Let me show you how it works. Select a product and pay. The elevator will go up and pick up the product. There is a conveyor belt. We'll deliver the product to the pickup box. Now that we can wait and pick the product. This is how this machine works. If you like this middle pickup vending machine, which people no need to bend down to get the product, you can contact us